Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're working on a 2017 Chevrolet and we're doing AC condenser. Stick around. It's about right there 79 but about 100% humidity. Yep, this thing doesn't work right now. I'm on my way to get the system evacuated down the street to a friend's shop and do it there. So we'll see you when we're back at the shop. I1 AC Delco. I'm gonna have to get this trim off. Just lift this little cap up in the flip shoe. These can break too, so be aware. Take a look at the ingenuity here. I'll have to take them off. These got clips this way here. It's a mother. The beauty. Ingenuity. Here, get the headlights up. Okay, so we got 4 bolts on the headlight. We gotta peel this. See where I am here. Alright. We got a pen. Gotta be able to see it. See up in there? You feel it. Right here. And then that's those metal braces. Once you to get the shutter out. Okay. It's like the whole shebang's gotta come out. That's cool. got that one out. There's another one up here. Okay, there's gonna be one here somewhere. There's another 10. Tell you to get this off. I got a ratchet wrench. I can stick it in there. They also tell you to get the washer bottle out. I get my ratchet in there. Another 10. So, I don't know if you can see my finger down there. And this should come out of here. It's not so bad now. I gotta get this cover out of here. I believe we got a couple of clips. Yeah, right there. I don't know if you can see it there. We need a flat blade. Yeah. There. Should come up. Good. That's always a plus. Alright. I don't know, this is not too bad of a job. It's just something. Look, my little bolt that I lost. It's just something that you, as a Chevy owner, you're gonna have to do this every few years. And your mini lines are down there. It's a 13 nut. So I'm gonna get the transmission cooler out. And here, right there, you can kind of just move that gently out of the way. This one here, the same thing. All right. Hopefully you guys can follow along. Take these out. You're gonna push this cover back. There's a little C-clip in there. I have this Lyle tool, number 22, that's sold 990. Very handy. I clean this first. Shoot some just brake cleaner. You could either take the clips off. Okay. See right there, kind of pushed out. And to pull you guys down here. Sometimes though you do need to take the clip all the way off. So two, the line is up. Same on the other side. And this is easier, I believe. I'm gonna put the truck up in the air so you guys can see it better. Wiggle. Got the little stud out. And there's a nut holding a bolt holding the condenser line. So we gotta get that off. That looks like a 10 mil. That in. Got it. Easy. Whoa. Give you a new stud. And put the two shields. Doesn't really fit the old one, but alright, let's do this one. There we go. I gotta put the bracket on. The smaller 10 goes in it. Not much, right? Okay, so you're gonna stick in between the two, and which way we're going? Like that. No. Like this. Okay. So this little yellow line, gotta make sure you can't see that anymore. That means it's all the way in. Alright, I got it to fit. There's a little bit of corrosion on the end of the pipe, so it wasn't clipping. You see, you clip, this cover's gotta fit nice and tight in there. 2 washers like that. All right, let's go fill her up. Fill her up. Over here, this takes a little bit. Takes about 0.55 kilograms. All right, guys, we're all set. Got the AC charge, is blowing cold. I am going back to the shop, and I put my sniffer around my connections. Just making sure I didn't screw anything up. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you next time.